Welcome to Trivia Punch. In this video we're going to show you how the questions are asked and how the rounds are set up and point structure and that type of information. If you want to learn more about the advertising, marketing capabilities, go to the other video on advertising. So here we are in pause mode in the middle of a game, and you'll see that the start button and the play button cannot be clicked on, and that's because they're not set to go. We're in a recap mode right here. The pause button, tiebreaker, new round, show the winners, end the game, and full screen. So in the pause mode, it just brings the big ads up here, and this is where you would collect your tickets and do the grading or play some music, take a break during the game. But when you're ready to start a new round, you click on the new round button, and if you hover over it, it'll tell you start new round. So we're going to click on that, and you can see now we're in round 2, and this topic is sports, and in this corner it shows you how many points it is that you've chosen for this round. So every question in this round is 50 points, and the topic is sports. The question here, Q1, question 1, it always tells you what question it is as far as the question and for the recap, and it asks the question and gives you A, B, C, or D. For multiple choice, we use the A, B, C, and D method so people can just put down the letter and not have to write the whole thing out. It's quicker for grading the tickets and choosing the answers and that type of thing. So in order to go to the next question, you just keep clicking the next question button and go through however many you have set in your round. Now I believe this one we have 6 questions for round number 2. So you can choose each round how many questions there are, what topic they are, how many points they are, and design the questions. If you don't want to use our pre-made questions, you can add your own custom questions, and that's really cool because the bars like that for history of the bar, who the bartender is that night, you know, who's the wait staff, who are the owners, you know, all the history within it, local town history. You literally have full control on what kind of questions you can ask. And once you get to the end of the round, you take your pause, again collect the tickets, and then you come to the recap section. Click on the recap, and there's question 1. So you know what question it is, and there's the answer, D, warm-up. And you basically just go through and click on the next question button until you're at the end. And when you're at the end, these buttons light up again. The tiebreaker, the next round, show the winners. So what's nice about this is, let's say you set up 6 rounds, but you only have time for 5 because it took too long to go through them. After the end of every single round, you have the option of going to the next round or finishing the game. And this is so that you don't have to go through the entire game in order to finish it properly. This gives you a way out after each round. Likewise, a lot of DJs will put a couple of extra rounds in there in case they go through it too fast. They can go to the next round. So let's just say we're at the end of the night, we've gone through all the rounds and we want to finish the game. Here's where you would click on the show the winners, finish the game. You click it once and it brings up the person that was in 3rd place, the team. And this is not answering 2nd or 1st yet because this gives you time to give a round of applause, give out a prize, take pictures, whatever it is you do in the way you run your game. It gives you a way to, you know, show the winners for each round. Click it again, it gives you the 2nd round winner. Same thing, click it again, and now you have the 1st place winner. So these buttons are made to work the way you want and at your own pace. They're not timed. You don't have to do it in a certain amount of time. If you want to ask the questions in a slower manner, that's not a problem. If you want to speed it up, you can click through it really fast. And then at the end of the night, you can either leave this on here as people are leaving, or you can finish the game by showing the end game screen. And this is a screen that you can add any image you want. So you could say, you know, XYZ bar thanks you. Don't forget tomorrow night is karaoke night. Don't forget Wednesday is ladies night. Whatever you want for ads, you have control of putting that into the game. So again, the button structures are made in a way to be very easy, and you can't click on anything unless it's ready to be clicked on. So in case you have a new employee using it for the first time, it's hard for them to break it.